Welcome guys, today in the new video. Today I will start a new topic that is called system design. System design is one of the important topic asked in any interview. So let us discuss about what is system design. First I will start with the definition. Definition of system design. System design definition is basically a way of creating a system, creating a system design. Creating a system design means creating the design for the system, means we have to create the architecture for the system, which include different component interference of the system. It What does it mean? Let's suppose you work in any company and company give you a problem like you have to make a website like YouTube, so where you can stream the video, now let's suppose if the company give you this statement, so you can't go directly and write the code because you have to first design the system. What does it mean? How the all the different component of this video streaming platform act, how the different component of this platform act means your video streaming platform has a feature like search, upload the video, view the video, watch history, like the video. How these different components actually work, how the communication happen between each and everything. As you view the video, so it may go into the watch history. If you like any video, it may go into the like history. So how the communication between each happen and the efficient data flow happen in the system. All these things you have to first design. In the system design, there are more important thing. Four important thing you have to first consider. Important thing. Four important thing. What are the four important things? First thing is requirement. Requirement. Second one is thing is estimation. Estimation. Third one is communication. Communication. And first one is already problem. So let's suppose example, your boss give you a make a video streaming platform. So first you go for a requirement, and there are two different type of requirement. First one is functional requirement. What are the functional requirement? First one is anybody can upload the video, okay, anybody can view the video, okay, watch history, people can search your video in search one. Non-functional requirement is like a platform must be scalable. It does not mean that only 100 or 1,000 people can use this platform. It is available platform. It means that platform is available every time. It does not mean if anyone search in the night, so your platform does not work or it get crashed. So it is available platform. These are the two things. Next, you will do the requirement process. Requirement means how much query anybody search. So let's suppose daily hundreds of the videos are uploaded on your video streaming platform. So how much database you require for this system? Let's suppose thousands of people watch daily video. So you have to add that thing, how much data total required for this. And last part is communication. How the communication happen between each part. Suppose if any person search anything, so how this search lead to give you the result from database, okay. And now you watch this video. So this video can come into the your watch history, and if you like the video, it can go into your like history. So how the communication happen between different components? Just I say now, you can view the video, watch the video, search the video. How the communication happen between each and every component of the system? It is also come under the system design process. So system design process mean process of creating a system, process of creating system, creating system system in which different components how they work how they work work and their communication communication is अब सिस्टम डिजाइन जो है एस एस सिस्टम डिजाइन they have two different things. First one is high level design, second one is low level design. So you have to understand there are two different way of designing a system. First one is high level design, second one is low level design. I will discuss about these two terms in the next video. Till then.